Hey there, it's Max again, and welcome back to mauwiks.com. And today I want to talk about the best way to make money online. There are many ways to earn a living online, but in my experience, niche websites, blogging is one of the most lucrative and simple business models out there. Here's why. When you create a niche website, you're essentially creating a platform for promoting products and services related to a specific topic by creating a valuable content and building an audience. And you can become an authority in your niche and earn money through various channels. And one of the biggest advantages of niche website blogging is the low investment required. You don't need to hire expensive professionals or invest in expensive equipment or inventory. All you need is a website and the ability to create a valuable content. And because maintaining a niche website business is relatively simple, it's also easier to sell than a service based business. This means that if you ever decide to move on from your business, you can do so with ease and potentially even make a profit from selling it. Another advantages of niche website blogging is you can hire non-expensive virtual assistants or VAs to handle simple or repetitive tasks. This is because the nature of blogging business is simple and you don't need to hire highly skilled professionals like web developers or technical support agents. This can save you a lot of money and time in the long run. So, how do you make money with niche website? Or let's say you can earn a commission for promoting products you don't own. And this is called affiliate marketing or marketing. And it's a popular way to earn money online. Secondly, you can place advertising on your website and earn money from an ad revenue. And lastly, you can create and sell your own products or services related to your niche. So, if you're interested in learning more about making money online or with niche website, we have an ongoing free course that's perfectly fit for you. Just check out our channel or subscribe to our free newsletter at mauwiks.com/newsletter to learn more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next